अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे, अपना काम बड़े बेहतरीन तरीके के साथ कर रहे होंगे। एक और मजेदार इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो के साथ आपका भाई आपके सामने हाजिर है। आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि किस तरीके के साथ आप जो है हाउ टू गेट अ कार इंश्योरेंस 5 स्टेप इन यूएसए। सो आपको इसके बारे में तमाम डिटेल बताएंगे। अपने वीडियो के साथ अंत तक बने रहिएगा, कहीं से भी वीडियो को स्किप नहीं कीजिएगा, बिकॉज अगर आपने ऐसा किया तो हो सकता है कोई इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आप मिस कर जाए। चलते हैं मेन स्क्रीन की तरफ, शुरू करते हैं आज का टॉपिक। मगर उससे पहले तमाम दोस्तों से इल्तमास है कि वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को लाजमी प्रेस करें ताकि आप इस तरह की मजीद इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस आप तक पहुंच रही। तो चलिए दोस्तों, चलते हैं कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन के ऊपर। तो लीजिए दोस्तों, आ चुके हैं हम अपने कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन के ऊपर, जहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि how to get a car insurance 5 steps. So basically, when you buy a new car, you must likely spend a fair amount of time and compare options of the find the best ride for the fair price. Buying a car insurance should work the same way. Unfortunately, too many car owners skip the casual steps and end up spending the more money than they should. Car insurance plans can vary widely by the company for the exact same coverage. If you want to find the best car insurance for the reasonable price, here how to do it. Gather your drivers and the vehicle information. Here the information you will need to jump start a car insurance shopping journey. Basics information like your name, address, and the date of birth for every driver only. Policy driver in license information for every driver on the policy. Vehicle information including you make, model, vehicle identification number, and the current, then the riding driving history for the all drivers on the policies, including at the fault accidents, traffic violations, and any complete safe driving access. Your currently insurance, including your current coverage, is limited. Determination how much car insurance you need. Before you buy a car insurance policies, the first step is to figure out how much car insurance you need. If you buy a little coverages, you could be woefully underweighting by, but it is by too much, you will be overpaying. Here some common coverages types of the you want to consider. Liability car insurance. If you cause a car accident, so liability car insurance pay for property damages and the injuries to others, such as their car repair bills and the medical expenses. If it also cover legal expenses if someone so you become of the an accident. Most states requires you to carry a minimum amount of liability car insurance. For example, in New York, all drivers must carry minimum liability limits of the 25 to 50 and 10, which means 25,000 of the build injury and the person 50,000 of the death dollars. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up to this video and must subscribe our channel. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.